10 Things to Know About Makita Brand. Number 1. The name Makita came from the founder, whose name was Masahiro Makita. Number 2. Makita was founded back in 1915 but was originally called Makita Electric Works. Number 3. When they first started out, the company simply started repairing lighting equipment, motors and transformers. Number 4. They were the first company in Japan to sell electric planers. Number 5. Their first big job involved exporting motors and electric generators to the Soviet Union. Number 6. However, it was in 1959 when Makita started to manufacture their own electronic power tools. Number 7. They were the first company to create a drill with a nickel-calcium battery, making it rechargeable. The drill was called the 6010V, which they released in 1978. Number 8. They also created the first air tools when they released the AN5000 pneumatic nailer and AC6001 air compressor. Number 9. Makita acquired the company Dolma in 1991, which strengthened their position in the outdoor power tool industry. Number 10. They also released the first tool with a lithium-ion battery which featured on the TB130V drill, which was released in 2005.